Hey guys, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about kojic acid. A lot of people face concerns like blemishes, acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and there are so many reasons behind our pigmented skin. Today I'll be sharing with you an entire kojic acid range so that no matter what you are getting pigmentation on your face as well as on your body, you are going to find it helpful. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. Hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Now without rambling much, let's go. The first product that I have right here is this one. This is the 2% kojic acid face serum for dark spots and pigmentation. It has 1% alpha arbutin, kojic acid and niacinamide. This is dermatologically tested, paraben and SLS free. Also this is free from sulfate, dye and mineral oil. This serum mainly fights pigmentation, fades acne scars and dark spots, and it improves your skin's discoloration. Apart from kojic acid, it's also loaded with 1% alpha arbutin and it efficiently helps in fading out dark spots with every application. It also controls the production of melanin and gives you an even-toned complexion. Then the second product is this one, and this is my current favorite. Okay, this is our newest launch. So this is the DermaCo 1% Kojic plus Arbutin Night Repair Face Serum Gel. This is for dark spots and pigmentation. This has kojic acid and alpha arbutin. If you have pigmented skin, you should definitely give this one a shot. This is a night repair gel, so you are supposed to apply it overnight. This serum gel has soothing and cooling properties that amazingly helps to make your skin look clear while blending it into the skin easily, and it also calms down your skin. It's power packed with alpha arbutin that fades away pigmentation, melasma and acne marks. It also has kojic acid that helps fight dark spots, treats melasma, fade acne scars, and also it has anti-aging properties. Now one thing I would like to mention, you guys, this is gonna give you so much glow. If you have dull dehydrated skin, definitely try this one out. Oh my god, I absolutely love it, the way my skin looks after using this. I would highly recommend this one, and I love the texture of it. It doesn't make your skin feel oily, greasy or sticky, or even if you have dry skin, you are gonna enjoy this a lot because this is so hydrating on the skin and the texture is gel like, so it's very lightweight. So no matter what skin type you have, be it oily, dry combination or whatever it is, you are gonna love this. Now guys, I do have a body serum lotion and I've been enjoying this a lot lately because I have recently returned from a beach vacation and my entire body was tanned like crazy, so I've been enjoying this a lot. So this is the DermaCo 1% kojic acid daily glow body serum lotion. This is a body lotion with kojic acid, alpha arbutin as well as vitamin C. So all of them are really good if you have pigmented skin, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have acne scars, marks or any kind of blemishes on your skin. And kojic acid and alpha arbutin also works great if you have tan all over your body. And also this is very hydrating, very moisturizing on the skin. It gives you healthy, hydrated and glowy skin, and it's infused with kojic acid, alpha arbutin, macadamia oil, vitamin C and shea butter. It keeps your skin moisturized all day long while dealing with pigmentation and dark spots, and it gives you a brighter, even-toned skin. Now, if you have dry skin, you're gonna enjoy this a lot because this is for skin radiance and this is gonna give you so much glow. Also, this is very hydrating on the skin. This is so lightweight. It doesn't feel oily, greasy or sticky. I absolutely love it. And also this is dermatologically tested. This is fragrance free. It's free from sulfate, paraben, dye, mineral oil. Now guys, every time you buy from DermaCo, they will link your order to a child that they're gonna help educating along with Bhumi, and they are placed to help 10,000 plus students across the year. I do have a coupon code with them which is flashing on the screen right now. If you use that on the DermaCo website, you will get extra 20% off. But this is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my family. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.